Hi friends, welcome back to Kids Create. Today we are going to draw a super cute mobile phone. Are you having fun? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Kids Create for more fun drawings. Let's keep going! Remember, it's okay if your lines aren't perfect. Mine aren't always either. That's what makes each drawing unique and special. Now that our drawing is complete, let's start coloring. Hope you had fun drawing with me today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such fun drawing videos. See you next time.